Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have done a fabulous week. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute pockets. So this is basically 3 pockets for 1 sheet of paper. Okay, so you get 1 pocket there, 1 pocket there, and another one on the back. Okay, just that one there. And it's the same apply to this one here. Before I show you how to simply make them, let me showcase the papers that I have used, which is my VIP lounge paper for the month of July. Okay guys, so for the VIP lounge for the month of July, this is the cover. So the inspiration is yellow tones and a lot of shabby vintage ephemera. The reason why I called it shabby tapestry is because I wanted to create a papers that remind me of tapestry, like something that you walk into a very vintage house. You got this lovely pattern on a sofa or on the wallpaper or even on the carpet. And I wanted to create something with yellow. Yellow is not a color that I use a lot for no reasons. It's just I personally think I'll be overwhelmed by the color. Not reasons, but anyway, I created this kit. I'm gonna show you page by page. It's whopping huge large kit. It has different backgrounds and geometric motifs, ephemera, etc. So just gonna show you page by page. Just gonna turn it over this side. In fact, no, just gonna put this over there. You get another page with a yellow. I know it's yellow, but it's more like a brownish, yellowish, goldish sand color damask. You got another page. I put some lace here. I layered some ephemera, some buttons, and then of course a lot of flowers. This is another page. I want to come back to this in a minute and I'll show you why, but this is a collage of different yellow tiles, Mediterranean yellow tiles. I'm going to put this on the side and I'll come back to that. You get a page with some ephemera. So you've got some butterflies there, some little embellishment that you can fussy cut. You get 1 page with 4 different background scaled into 4 rectangulars. So this is amazing if you do greetings cards, because you can just fussy cut it, put a sentiment, and off you go. And also if you do vintage journal pages or cards, you get a page of butterflies for you guys to fussy cut. Again, all yellow and brown and orangey, because all pages that I have designed are meant to mix and match. Okay, so all the kits that I've designed are very large because you can, create a mix and match. Another background here full of ephemera, flowers, etc. You got another version. I've used a lot of like dark tones and edged a little bit. This is one of my favorite page. Look at that, love it. This is probably one of my favorite I made this year. You get 1 page with the tags. I'm gonna leave it outside because I'll come back to that as well. You got another geometric page. What I've done, I created this pattern and I repeated it. I think it works because I love the contrast of the flower with the geometric. I think it really works because it's the same color palette. Another geometric here. Again, I used stripes and more like an organic flower there. Similar pattern with the tiles, and I just put some flowers on top. And this is the last piece. So there's a lot of pages. Now, I don't want to spoil it because I'm going to do a separate videos, but the beauty of my digital papers, to be fair, with all digital papers, that you can print the page that you want instead of print them all. I don't buy cardstock anymore. Of course, I made my own paper, but the beauty of digital papers that you can print in any surfaces. So I've got a few things I want to show you. I print some of the pages into music sheet. So what I've done, I cut an A4 music sheet paper, put through my printer, and I print my page on top of it. So you get this lovely extra background, and I've done the same with this page here. So I print all these butterflies on here. Okay, so that's the plain music sheet notes, and that's the reverse. So this is what, and the print is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'm really pleased with that. And then one thing I wanted to show you, but we do a separate project on that, is that you can print my digital into vellum. Okay, so what I've done, and I don't know if you can probably see if I do that. So I have printed my tags into vellum. Okay, so this is purely vellum paper, but I'm going to do a separate project with this. So keep watching, guys, keep watching. Okay, so let me come back to, because it's not finished yet. So when I designed this page, my brain went, woo, had an explosion. So I have this coaster on my desk. Okay, so this is from my home village in Italy. I bought this last time when me and Jamie went to visit my family. It's a coaster, so you've got cork on the base, and this is a tile. This is a proper tile that is being cut. Okay, so what I've done, in additional gift to all my VIP members for July, I created a mini kit taking inspiration from this. So when I designed this, I thought to myself, oh my god, what this will look like with blues and yellow. So that's the answer. So I created this page here, so you get this for free as well. Okay, so this is an additional gift for this month. This one here, I gave you an extra page with all these lemons made into stamps that you can simply fussy cut. And then this one here, so I'll try to create a similar geometric motifs, and I just put some lemons on top. I think it works. I'm really pleased with it. I mean, I'm gonna show you on camera. It's beautiful, and the colors are very vibrant, as you can see from my print. Okay, so you get you get a large paper pack, you get an additional free mini pack. Also, you get the letter gift box. This month is letter O. So this is the template that you can print. And also there is a private video showcasing how to make this. And I'm going to show you what the letter O looks like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is letter O when it's all done up. It's beautiful, really nice. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Of course, my VIP members get this for free. But if you want to purchase them singularly, they are available on my website as a bundle as well. Okay, so the starting point is this page here. Now, as I said several times, the beauty of digital papers is that you can print them on anything. You can print them on white copy paper, of course, but in this case, I have printed my digital on a music sheet paper. So this was one of them. So what I've done, I put this in my printer, press print, and of course my digital has been printed on the back of it. And as you can see, you got a brand new page which got the music notes on the background. So this will give it an additional layers. You can print digitals on vellum, on tissue paper, on music sheet notes, on a cardstock, or on existing ephemera. So there is so many opportunities to create loads of different effects with the same image, with the same digital. So for today's project, I'm using this, and the reason why I've done that is because, I mean, this is what I've just done before I press play. I just had a little play. So the beauty of this, that you can get different effect with one page. Okay, so what I need you guys to do is, the starting point is a square. Okay, so we need a piece of paper or cardstock that is a square. Now this measured nearly, I'm gonna cut a little bit off, 8 inches. So it will be a square. In fact, I think I'm gonna cut it this way. Yeah. Save the scrap for another project because you get quite a lot of scrap in it. So what I need you guys to do, get your square. I need you to fold it in half on both ways. So fold it in half. Then open it up and fold it in half this way, so on the opposite way. And then diagonally, so 2 diagonal lines. You don't have to, don't have to be super perfect. As long as it's kind of centered, that's what it matters. I'm not using any bone folders or anything, I'm just using my fingers. Okay, so pick a side. Let's have a look. I will probably go for that. So put the square in this way, so the tip, one of the tip is facing you, and then just fold it inwards. So if this is my score line, I don't know if you can see it, but this is my score line, probably leave like 1/2 inch. Okay, so I will probably leave that much. Okay, and then just fold it, then rotate it, do exactly the same on this corner, but when you fold it a lot more, less, well, to be fair, less shorter. So this is my score line there. I'm just gonna fold it like that. Okay, so if I get my prototype, you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, so what I need you guys to do on this, on the, if you position it like that, so you've got the bigger triangle on your right and the small triangle on the bottom, we need to cut off this line here, just this straight score line, until it meet the one in the middle. Okay, so you just need to cut off that little square. Okay, and then what you simply do, I'm just getting my prototype that. Okay, so position it so your triangle, your small triangle is facing you and the bigger triangle is there. Flip that up. Okay, then these fold it over and this will go back up. So on the reverse, you got one pocket there, one pocket there, and then you got a pocket on the bottom. Now what I've done, this little piece here, I folded back inwards like so. Okay, so what we need to do, we're just going to glue all the triangles again. So open it all up, just gonna put some glue. So glue that first, then we glue the small one, the small triangle, and then we glue the little tiny one there. Okay, so again, when you fold it, it folds like that. Okay, so you've got one pocket there, and of course one pocket here. So what I need you guys to do, I need you to, if you have, I mean, you can use glue, but I'm going to use double-sided tape because we want this to be another pocket. We're just going to put some double-sided tape there and on the bottom, so it sealed the pocket completely. I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay, and I'm just going to peel the backing off. Okay, so we have one pocket here, one pocket there, and then we've got the additional pocket here. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, and 3 pockets. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do off camera because I don't want this video to be extremely long. I'm just going to decorate it. I'm going to use some of my lace and I'm going to decorate it in there. So just have a little play and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one. Literally, because I wanted this all about the paper, I just put one of the tags, the postage stamps that we made last month. This was last month VIP lounge for the month of June. And I have used some of this dangling decoration that also we done last month. And yeah, so one pocket is facing on the right and one pocket is facing on the left, because when you do this, you decide which sort of way it goes. So as I said, you have one pocket here, one pocket there, and then of course the big large pocket on the back. Okay, and it's the same for this side here. Again, just put one of the postage stamps, the postage stamps that we made with the book page, and one of these dangly decorations. I will put the videos at the end of this one, so you will be able to make them, just in case you missed it. That's it. That's super cute ideas, guys. I'm going to go. If you wish to join and get these wonderful papers, I will show you where to find my VIP lounge on my website. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It truly appreciate every time you leave a comment, because you're telling YouTube that you like what I make. I will see you on Friday for a Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.